What if mosquitoes were spy robots, humanity under surveillance? And itchy? Did you hear that? That's not your average bedroom mosquito. It's a secret agent with turbo wings, 4K camera, and a top secret mission. Yup, we're about to literally fly into a future where engineering imitates nature, just to tickle us digitally. Welcome to Crazy Maybe. What are mosquito drones? Biomimetics 101, copying nature to build sci-fi tech. From dolphin-inspired sonar to bird-shaped airplanes, now it's bugs taking the spotlight. Drone news flash. In China, a mosquito-sized flying robot was unveiled by a student at the National University of Defense Technology. Just 0.6 centimeters, smaller than your pinky nail, and ready to sneak into your business. The Western cousin, Norway's Black Hornet 4. Palm-sized, weighs just 70 grams, and sees in the dark like a ninja cat. Less drone, more Tamagotchi with a NATO badge. Mini drones, micro drones, and now, Honey, I Shrunk the Pentagon. The only thing that isn't getting smaller, our anxiety. How does it even work? Artificial muscles, piezoelectric actuators that contract with electricity, flapping leaf-shaped wings at 700 Hz. That's more reps than my gym membership ever saw. Materials, carbon fiber, space-age polymers, and circuits thinner than Spider-Man's eyebrow hair. Power, micro-lithium batteries, tiny as a stamp yet enough to steal your neighbor's Wi-Fi password. They've even got tiny landing legs. Meanwhile, my legs won't get off the couch without a pizza bribe. Crazy scenario. What if humans were spied on by mosquito robots? Privacy. Poof, gone. Picture this. You're sipping coffee, scratching your neck, and a robo-mosquito lands on your phone to eavesdrop on your date. Countermeasure wars. Anti-bug spray 2.0, Eucalyptus Firewall Edition. Faraday mesh hats, hot trend for summer 2026. Fake buzz news. Swarms of mosquito bots tweeting trends. Hashtag Team Formic Acid beats hashtag Team Citronella. Right to invisibility. Governments forced to regulate all drones smaller than 10 millimeters. Say hello to the backyard airspace bill. Psychological impact. Every real mosquito buzz sends people into panic. Is it just a bug or the FBI in bug cosplay? Alexa, turn on the bug zapper. Scratch that. Activate the Star Trek deflector shields. The bright side may be medical precision, insect-sized bots navigating mucus to deliver medicine, like a microscopic cavalry inside your sinuses. Environmental monitoring, robot bees scanning pesticide levels or robo-frogs analyzing pond water. Search and rescue, mosquito bots entering collapsed buildings, sniffing out life signs. Or forgotten chocolate bars. Not all bites are bad. Some might literally save your skin. From inside your skin. So, Crazy Maybe crew, welcome to our buzzing future, packed with robots, engineering and spy tech at micro scale. Should we panic or party with a techie piñata? Probably both. If you want more mind-blowing what-ifs, from astronaut chimpanzees to quantum bungee suits, smash that subscribe button like it's a mosquito on your arm, and ring the bell. No blood required, promise. I'm Brain from Crazy Maybe. See you next time with science in our pocket and a punchline in our scripts. And remember, if you hear buzzing, it might be a bug or a government agent with wings. And if you thought the video was over, surprise, welcome to the post-credit scene, where humanity now lives in constant fear of being spied on by a mosquito with Wi-Fi. Our daily routine looks like this. Honey, did you hear that buzz? Relax, it's just the toaster sending reports to the CIA. Windows shut tight, screens, reinforced titanium, and deodorant now comes with anti-surveillance formula, scent, digital anonymity. And us humans, we lock ourselves in the bathroom for some privacy, only to look up and say, is that a mosquito or a surveillance bot? Either way, put those wings down, buddy. I'm feeling judged. The real nightmare? When you hear the buzz, but see nothing. That's not living anymore. That's live streaming your life to a secret data center in Greenland. But hey, at least mosquito bots don't suck your blood. Yet. Got it? Or did I just trigger a diplomatic incident with a micro-ambassador from China?